All right, this is a video to show you how to hook up the Les Mills classes from the tablet, which is in my office, to the new speaker using the HDMI cord, which is the ideal scenario so that you get the best of the visual and you get the best of the audio coming out. So the first thing you'll do, grab the tablet along with the dongle from my office and then the keys from the front desk to open up the closet. Inside the closet, you're going to grab the new speaker system that should always be locked up when not in use, and it is in 2 bags. So we're going to grab the first one. It's on a roller. It's only got 3 wheels, so you want to lift up on the handle. And then grab the second one, which is the actual speaker that sits on top of the base. Roll them out. Now, the first thing that we're going to do to save time, we're going to come over to the Dextron, and we're going to go and we're going to power on the machine. When we do that, it allows us to go up to the projector, and the projector should come on when we do power up from here. Second thing that we're going to do is we're going to come over to the wall, hit down for the screen so that we can project to the screen. While we're waiting for everything to boot up, then what we're going to do is we're going to come over and we're going to set up our speaker. So the first thing that we'll do is take out the base speaker, which is on the bottom. And you're going to pull it out, and you're going to set it up really close to the cart here because we are going to plug in some things from the cart to that. So from behind, we're going to go ahead, we're going to plug in to the wall outlet and then plug into the blue outlet in the back, and that turns the power on. From there, we'll open up the second bag. We're going to grab the mount first, and the mount is going to only be able to go on one way. And so if you've got it wrong, you just flip it and turn it the opposite direction and sit it down in there. From there, we take the speaker. It has an input on the bottom, and so we're going to take that and we're just going to put it right over the mount. Again, same thing, it only fits one way. Just make sure you get it on the right direction, then it just clicks down. Okay. Now that we have all that set, the next thing that we're going to do now is start to build the inputs into the speaker and then into the HDMI. Okay, so we're going to take the tablet. The first thing that I would say in this method, which is the preferred method, is take the tablet out of its case and just leave the case for a second. Okay, we're going to then take the tablet. It's got its dongle on it, and so the first thing we're going to do, and this is important, we are going to plug in the HDMI first. Okay, so we're going to plug it into the dongle from the cart, and then the second thing that we're going to do is we are going to take the 35mm cord that is plugged into the computer. We're going to unplug it from the computer. We're going to plug it directly into the tablet, and then we're going to take it from the tablet and plug it into the input of the 35mm jack on the speaker. Okay. If you do it opposite and you plug the HDMI in after the 35mm, it's going to bring speaker sound from the one up on the ceiling, which is not a great speaker, and it's going to bypass this new speaker. All right, so make sure the HDMI goes first and then 35mm jack after. Okay, once you got that done, then you go into the tablet. You can press on Les Mills. You can press on whichever class that you want. It should start coming up. Hook up to our internet signal. And then from there, you can see that it's coming out of our base system. So Coach Herm will step back and show you the whole setup that we have. He can keep stepping back. Oh. Good, the speaker is in. Now come back in one more time. And the last thing that we're going to do to make sure that we get projection up onto the screen is we are going to hit HDMI cable on the Dextron cart. And so now he backs up, and he can see that everything is working. We've got the speaker working, and we've got projection to the projector.
Lift lunge, 1 squat, right side.